It's okay. Salad time. That's okay. That's okay. Basta walang kanta, okay lang. Para hindi tayo makapiright. So, I'm doing Mexican tahini. First time kong gawin ito. So, you know. I mean, first time kong kainin, i-try. So, let's see.
Is there ranch in that?
I don't know what sauce is this. It says.
This is my.
It's a lemon. Oh, this is the lemon. And this is the corn bits naman yata to. I don't know. Ilagay lang natin. Mexican sauce.
Wow, can I have some?
Oh,
Can you put
are you
some?
sure? Okay. Mexican sauce. And this is the lemon. Lemon.
Mom, here. Some here, some here.
Okay. And then shake it.
Wait,
Okay na siguro.
before you talk, guys.
Ooh.
Can I could spice.
Let's try. It has lemon, so let's see.
So good.
Pati si Abby sabi niya is so good daw. Tapos yung itlog na ginawa niya.
It's also so good.
Let's have lunch.